I almost can't believe they actually did it. Bigme has made an e-reader. Not an e-note, not a tablet, not a micro 7-inch note-taking kind of mini Sage with an EMR active capacitive. No, a 6-inch ebook reader, aptly named the Bigme Read. This thing is a 6-inch e-ink screen. It does have an SD card, it has touch, it has glow. It's pretty much across the board what you would expect. It's easy on the eyes, it's easy on the wallet. Let's crack it open. I am thoroughly impressed already. I've never even opened it yet. That these guys even have an e-reader. Box leaves, well, it's not too amazing. It's just some thin cardstock. No real care was into the actual box itself. Let's put this off to the side. Ooh, mid-weight, flush screen and bezel. Oh, I'm getting ahead of myself. All right, we have the user manual and what is included, the documentation, all that. That looks like a. That's this. Okay, I thought it was a screen film. And we have a USB cable. Where's the USB cable? Oh, it's in there. I thought that was a partition. It actually is in there. So there's the USB cable. There should be nothing else in the box as per that. They got the QC pass, which is the certified quality control pass, and we'll put all that away over there. Here's the e-reader, an actual e-reader. I don't believe they are teaming up with JD or anything like that, and this is, looking at this, I can tell you, I've never seen this shell, at least tooled this way. Nope, I've never seen anyone use this before. And we do have a center button at the bottom, and is that the power button? I think, no, power button's up here. That would be kind of interesting if that acted as the power button. Power button is at the top. You do have a speaker on board. You have a dead center SD card with a dead center kind of home button, or this could act as a back button as well. You have a microphone / hard reset, I didn't check yet. You have a status indicator light and a USB-C right down there, and there's the speaker grill, beautifully kind of tooled out, nothing on the sides, no physical page turn buttons, nothing kind of completely out of the, outside the box. It's very much as it was expected to be out of a 6-inch. Something interesting, there was traditional Chinese, simplified Chinese, English, and Spanish, but only Spanish. There was no Portuguese, there's no German, there's no Italian or anything else. It was quite weird. Also, this OS might be a little bit... No, I've never seen this OS either. This is interesting. Okay, there you go. Well, that's it, everybody. No, we'll look at it just really quick here. You do have a top drop down, I believe. Maybe it's getting ready because nothing's really working. And yes, it is. Okay, there we go. Yeah, you actually have to let it kind of warm up in such a way, I guess. They don't have a top drop down, actually. We're discovering things as we go here. All of the things are right there, and then when you click that, it goes into... There is a top drop down, so it doesn't actually swipe down. You have to press the settings wheel. You do get the volume there, you get acceleration. I'm not seeing any speed modes on here. I hope to goodness there is a speed mode, because so far, touch-wise, just on a completely first impressions, it's not very quick. I hope there is some sort of e-ink center or e-ink controls. Oh, there it is. They do have it. Perfect. HD 256, which has IMG 256 built in. We have HD, we have normal, and we have extreme to speed that up. You have refresh frequency as well, every however many touches, or no touches at all. This is the Bigme Read, everybody. We're going to be going over the entire thing. It does have Google Play on board. This is a 6-inch reader by Bigme. I never thought they would actually make one out of 18 units in their lineup. They finally did it. Here it is. Everything in the box. Stay tuned for the full review.